बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 2A-D3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 दे आर सेइंग दैट सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन 7x³ + 21x². Okay. From here can I take x² common and 7 common in the start? So if I will take 7x² common, so remaining is x plus 3, this is equal to 0. Now I can apply two product formula, either 7x² is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. From here, if I will solve x² is equal to 0 divided by 7, the answer is 0, and if you will take the square root, so the answer is again 0. And from here x is equal to minus 3. So this is the solution for this question number 12. If we will start part A, part A is 7f plus f square is equal to 60. You have to arrange it first according to the question. It will be f square in the start plus 7f minus 60 is equal to 0. Now we can apply the AC method. It's minus 60. Okay, we know that 5 6 are 60, but after addition or subtraction of 5 and 6 we will not get an answer 7, and over here it is a minus sign, that means I have to do subtraction. So and other factors for 60 are 12 and 5. 12f minus 5f minus 60 is equal to 0. From these two I can take common f plus 12 minus, from here I can take 5 common, f plus 12 is equal to 0. Now f plus 12 and f minus 5 is equal to 0. Either f plus 12 is equal to 0 or f minus 5 is equal to 0. So from here I'll get minus 12 and from here I will get 5. So these are the answers. Next question is part B, and part B is saying that 15 is equal to 8h square minus 2h. Okay, I will move this 15 on this side, so it will become 8h square minus 2h minus 15 is equal to 0. Now I have to multiply 8 and 15 to get the answer, and the answer is minus 120. That means I have to do subtraction, and I know that 8h square minus 12h, because 12 tens are 120, and 10h minus 15 is equal to 0. From these two numbers I can take 4 common, and with that h common it will remain 2h minus 3, plus from here I can take 5 common, so from here it is 2h minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2h minus 3, and on the other bracket it is 4h plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2h minus 3 is equal to 0 or 4h plus 5 is equal to 0. From here h is equal to 3 by 2, and from this side h is equal to minus 5 by 4. Moving towards part C. Okay, part C is in the fraction form 1 by 2x square minus 11 by 4x plus 5 by 4. Either you can take the LCM, that is 4, or either you can take common 1 by 4. Both are the same thing. So if I'm taking 1 by 4 common, so from here, because already 2 is here, so that means 2 will come over here. 2x square minus 11x plus 5 is equal to 0, because I have taken 1 by 4 common, so from here the denominator will cancel. Okay, from it is 10x, so that means I want any two factors. After multiplication I'll get 10, and after addition I will get 11. This 1 by 4 shift on the other side and it will get 0, so 2x square. From here I can write minus 10x minus 1x plus 5 is equal to 0, because after addition I will get 11. From these two I can take 2x common, x minus 5, from here minus 1 common. When there is nothing common we can take minus common if there is minus with the first number, otherwise you can just take plus 1 common. X minus 5 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 5, and from here x is equal to 1 by 2. Part D is 2 minus 3.5y minus 9.7y square is equal to 0. First of all, I have to arrange it. So I have arranged it. And after that, I have to take common minus sign. When I will take common minus sign, it will become 9.7y square plus 3.5y minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus sign will shift on the other side and it will get 0. Now it's difficult to solve this in decimals. So first of all, I want to remove the decimal. If I will multiply it with 2 with all the terms, so it will not remove it, it will become 19.50. So when I tried it with 4, so I'll get a whole number, that is, so multiply it with 4, multiply it with 4. So the answer is from here it is 39y square plus 14y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 39 multiply with minus 8 is minus 312. So I have to subtract any two number to get the answer 14. So I got the number, that is 13y square plus 26y minus 12y minus 8 is equal to 0. So from these two terms I can take 13 common and with that y common, and the answer will be 3y plus 2. From these two I can take 4 common, minus 4 common, and from here it is 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3y plus 2 and 13y minus 4 is equal to 0. So either 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 or 13y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here y is equal to minus 2 by 3, and from here y is equal to 4 by 13. So this is my answer for part D. Question number 13. 6x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. So 6 multiply with minus 15 is minus 90. So I have to find out the figure such that after subtraction I will get minus 1. So I know that 10 nines are 90 and 10 minus 9 is 1. Minus 15 is equal to 0. From these two I can take common 2x. From here 3 x minus 5 plus, from here I can take 3 common, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 5 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 5 by 3, and from here x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Moving towards part 2. Okay, there is a connection between part 2 and part 1. Can you see that the coefficients are same, 6, 6, only the variable is different. Y minus 3 means instead of x they have written y minus 3 whole square and y minus 3. So we will use the same answer that we have done over here, and instead of x we will use y minus 3. So I got the answer, that is x is equal to 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So in place of x I will write y minus 3 is equal to 5 by 3, and same over here, y minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2. From here it will be y is equal to 5 by 3 plus 3. Take the LCM, 5 plus 9, 14 by 3. And on the other side it will be y is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So take the LCM, 2 minus 3 plus 6. So the answer is 3 by 2. So I got the two answers again by using the first part. Question number 14, part A. 4 by 9 minus d square by 25. Clearly we can apply the third formula. From here can I write 2 by 3 whole square minus, it's from here d by 5 whole square is equal to 0. So 1 time n plus d minus 5 and 1 time n minus by 5 is equal to 0. So either 2 by 3 minus d by 5 is equal to 0, or from the other side 2 by 3 plus d by 5 is equal to 0. So from here it will be d by 5 will shift on the other side, so it will become d by 5, and cross multiplication it will be d is equal to 10 by 3, and from here you will get minus 10 by 3 because you will shift this on the other side, so it minus d by 5 and d will be equal to minus 10 by 3. So the answer is, we can write combine as plus minus 10 by 3. And part B, they are saying that explain why they has no real solution, because it is in the fraction form, so that's why it cannot be have the real solution. Moving towards question number 15, 1 by 3, 2q minus 3q minus 4 is equal to 6. So first of all, you have to remove this 1 by 3. That means this 3 will shift on the other side and it will get multiplied. So from here it is 2q minus 3 and q minus 4 will be equal to 6 multiplied with 3. So I will write that is 18. 2q minus, I am multiplying this, okay, opening the bracket. 2q square minus 8q minus 3q plus 12, because minus and minus 12, and this 18 will shift on the other side, it will become minus 18. This is equal to 0. From here it is 2q square minus 11q minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 2s are 8. I want minus 8, and after addition I want minus 11. Sorry, this is my 12. 3 4s are 12. I have written 14 by mistake, so it will become minus 6. So 6 2s are 12. 12, I want factors, so 2q square minus 12q plus 1q minus 6 is equal to 0. 2q can I take common? From here it will remain q minus 6. From here I can take 1 common because nothing is there, so you will not leave it, you will take 1 common. Q minus 6, and on the other side it is 2q plus 1 is equal to 0. So either q minus 6 is equal to 0 or 2q plus 1 is equal to 0. From here q is equal to 6, and from here q is equal to minus 1 by 2. Question number 14 part B is 1 by 4 t plus 2 into 2t minus 6 is equal to t by 2 plus 1. So first of all you have to move this 1 by 4 on the other side and it will get multiplied. So from here it will t plus 2 and 2t minus 6 is equal to 4 will multiplied over here, t by 2 plus 1. I will open the bracket over here. Meanwhile it will become 2t square minus 6t plus 4t minus 12, and from here if you will multiply it will be 4t by 2, so means cancel, it will become 2t, and 4 multiply with 1 you will get an answer 4. So from here it is t square minus 2t minus 12, and when I'll shift this on the other side it will become minus 2t minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here I will get 2t square, this and this will become minus 4t, it will become minus 4t minus 16 is equal to 0. Now 16 multiplied with 4 is 32, so I want minus 32 over here. I know that 8 4s are 32, minus 8t plus 4t minus 16 is equal to 0. So from these two I can take 2t common. So the remaining answer is t minus 4 plus 4, t minus 4 is equal to 0. So either t minus 4 and 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. So t minus 4 is equal to 0. On the other side it will be 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. T is equal to 4, and from the other side t is equal to minus 4 by 2. So t is equal to minus 2.